In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy Kimi website on Netlify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Kimi site live on a Netlify URL with a clear understanding of each choice along the way. Start by opening Netlify in your browser. Once you're in your Netlify account, look to the left sidebar and head to the Projects section. This is where all of your sites and workspaces live, and it's the best place to start when you're adding something new. Inside Projects, choose Add New Project. This brings up the different ways you can create or deploy a site on Netlify. You'll see three main paths. The first is to start building with an AI agent. That option is helpful if you want guided setup or need help scaffolding a project from scratch. The second option is to import a Git repository, which is great if your Kimi website lives on Git providers like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, and you want automatic builds on every commit. The third option, which we'll use now, is to upload your project files directly. This is perfect for a simple static Kimi site, such as a folder containing an index.html file, your CSS and JavaScript, and any images or assets. Choose Upload Your Project Files. On the Upload page, you can drag and drop your project folder, a zip file, or even a single HTML file to deploy instantly. Dragging a folder is convenient because it keeps your structure intact and ensures assets are referenced correctly. If your site is already zipped, dropping the archive works just as well. If you'd rather browse to your files, select the option to choose a folder. This opens your file picker so you can navigate to your Kimi project directory on your computer. Once you've highlighted the correct folder, confirm your selection. After selecting the folder, click Upload to start the deployment. You may be prompted to confirm the upload. Go ahead and approve it. Netlify will immediately process your files, create a new site, and assign a temporary URL. Give it a moment to complete the upload. When it's done, you'll land on the site overview where you can preview the live link. If everything looks good, your Kimi website is now publicly accessible. A quick tip before we wrap up, make sure your project includes an index.yml at the top level of the folder you uploaded. That's the default entry point Netlify serves, and having it in place ensures your home page loads correctly. That's it. You navigated to projects, added a new project, chose to upload your files, and deployed by dropping in your Kimi site. Enjoy sharing your live URL and iterating from here.